If you've noticed your new 2025 LG Magic Remote is missing the input button, don't worry. Switching inputs is actually easier than ever. Let me show you 3 simple ways to do it. The first method, press the Home button on your remote. Once you're in the Home menu, navigate to Home Hub. You'll see all your available inputs listed on the left side of the screen. Just select the one you need. The second method is even faster. Your remote has a dedicated Home Hub button. Press it once, and it takes you straight to the input selection screen, skipping the main menu entirely. But here's the quickest trick. Long press that same Home Hub button. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen showing all your inputs, HDMI ports, live TV, and even connected storage devices like USBs or network drives. Just select your input, and you're done. 3 easy ways to switch inputs on your 2025 LG TV, no dedicated button needed. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.